Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful.
Yes, students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Manzur Abbasi, mathematics teacher, Pakistan International School. Today we have to start the lecture number 8 about the exercise 4.2. Dear student, in previous lecture we discussed about the integers and their additions also. In this lecture we have to discuss the integers addition on the number line. Here some learning tips are introduced. First point that before every small bracket like this, there exists the sign of multiplication. Second point, multiplication of the two similar signs are like signs just as plus multiply by plus or minus multiply by minus is always equal to the plus. Okay. Third point, multiplication of the two dissimilar or two unlike signs, like unlike or different sign, like plus multiply by minus or minus multiply by plus, is always equal to the minus. First thing, that before every small bracket, there is a sign of multiplication. It is understood. Second, multiplication of the two similar signs like plus into plus or minus to minus, it is always equal to the plus. Third, multiplication of the two unlike signs such as plus multiply by minus or minus multiply by plus, same thing. They have the same answer minus. Now, if we have fourth point, if we have the negative sign, then we will move towards the left as of the given number. And if we have the plus integer, then we have to move towards the right of the given number. This student here use the number line to write the sum. First part, that is the small bracket is started minus 7, small bracket over plus, second small bracket is started plus 3 and bracket is. Dear student, here first step that we have to show the minus 7 on the number line. I will take the 0 and I will consider the 0 position and show the minus 7 by drawing an arrow towards the left side of 0. And I will take the 7 steps towards the left from 0, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7. Now I am standing at the minus 7. Now from minus 7, I have to add the plus into plus, means plus 3. Plus 3 from minus 7. I have to add the plus 3 in minus 7. So I will take 3 steps from minus 7 towards the right side because of the plus sign. That is absolutely clear. I will take 3 steps from minus 7 towards the right due to the positive sign. Here 1, 2, and 3. I reached at the minus 4. And this is the answer of addition of minus 7 and plus 3. This is answer also. And the result is as under in mathematical form, minus 7 plus bracket started plus 3 bracket over. First here multiplication of the plus with the minus, which will be minus. And here plus into plus before the small bracket I explained it before. that before the small bracket and after the plus, there is the sign of multiplication. And we will multiply plus into plus, answer will be plus 3. We will remove plus 3 from minus 7 and rest of the answer will be minus 4. This is the mathematical form and this is on a number line. Dear student, the second part, that is the minus 2 bracket over plus second bracket started minus 4 bracket over. In part number 1, I explained that I have to first consider the minus 2 on the number line from the 0. I keep the arrow at 0. And I will proceed 2 steps towards the left side, towards the left of a 0 because of the minus. I will take 2 steps, like 1 step, second step, that is at the minus 2 from the 0 to minus 2. And I have taken 2 steps from 0 towards the left because of the minus. Dear student, here again I reached at minus 2 and I have to add minus 4 in minus 2. I have to add minus 4. So it is also mentioned in the very start of the lecture that if you have the negative sign, we will proceed, we will move towards the left from the given number minus 2. How many steps? 4 steps. Here, 4 steps I will move towards the left. This is my destination, minus 2. 4 steps towards left, 1 step at 3, second step at 4, third step at minus 5, and fourth step is at minus 6. That is also answer of the giving addition of integers. Dear student, I understood that first we move from 0 to minus 2 towards the left because of minus. From minus 2 we proceed 4 steps and reached at the minus 6. That is our answer on the number line. And in mathematical form, I just write the minus 2 without parenthesis here, and plus in minus, it will come minus 4. Minus 2 and minus 4, it will become 6 of the minus, means minus 6. They have the similar sign and their function or action will be in addition. Here, student, part number 3. Plus 5 minus bracket started plus 1 bracket over. Now, first of all, I told you that I will take the 0 position and move 5 steps towards the right side. Just from here, 0. From 0, I will take 5 steps because of plus towards the right, and I have reached at the plus 5. And again, here's the minus 1 because plus into minus, here plus into minus, minus. From 5, I will move to the left, towards the left, 1 step. And I will reach after 1 step, I will reach at the plus 4. This is my answer. Dear student, mathematically here we have the plus 5 minus bracket started plus 1 bracket over. First, without bracket plus 5, minus multiplied by plus, these are the unlike signs. And we explained that product of the two unlike means minus into plus or plus into minus always equal to the minus. Here is the minus. Plus 5 and minus 1. It is equal to the plus 4. We will remove 1 from 5 and get the plus 4. Now these are the matching answers. We have the plus 4 on number line, and mathematical form also we got the plus 4. Dear student, part number 4. Bracket started plus 2, bracket over. Plus second small bracket started minus 3 and bracket over. Dear student, as usual, we have to take 0, and from 0 we have to move 2 steps towards the right because of plus. When we reach from 0 to towards right, 8 the plus 2 after 2 steps. That is written here. 0, 1 step at plus 1, second step at plus 2. Now I have to add the minus 3 in plus 2. Now at plus 2, I have to decide where I have to move. I have to proceed. I have to take more 3 steps. In which direction? Because of the minus, I will move from plus 2 towards the left because of the negative, because of the minus. How many steps? 3 steps. Now here plus 2, 3 step plus 1, 0, and third step is the minus 1. Now first I started from the 0 and reached at the plus 2 after 2 steps towards the right because of the plus. And from plus 2, I took 3 steps towards the left, towards the left. And how many steps? 3 steps. From where? From plus 2. 3 steps. And I reached at minus 1 after 3. So 1, 2, 3 at minus 1. Okay, this is the minus 1. Dear students, mathematically, here plus 2 and minus 3, plus 2, here plus 2 minus minus, and I got the minus 1. This is mathematical answer. Now in part number 5, I have the 3 integers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Because before small bracket, I have a sign of multiplication. And definitely this plus into minus, minus, this will be also minus. First, I will take the 0 position on the number. I move 1 step, but because of minus, I move towards the left 1 step. From 0 to minus 1. Again, from minus 1, I move 2 steps towards the left because of the minus. And I will reach at the 3. And again, minus 3, I will take the 3 steps more towards the left because of the minus. And I will reach at the minus 6. As let us see on the number line. First of all, from 0 to 1, 1 step. I have written here 1 step. Okay. From minus 1, due to minus, I have to move 2 steps more towards the same left direction. Here, 1 step, 2 step. I got the result minus 3. Now my second destination is the minus 3. From minus 3, I've reached my last position. This one here, minus 3. And I have to move 3 steps more towards the left because of the minus. Here 1 step at 4, here second step at minus 5, third step at minus 6. And this is the answer of the sum of 3 integers, minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. And I got here minus 6. And mathematically here minus 1 plus bracket is started minus 2 bracket over plus bracket started minus 3. Dear, first number minus 1, second after multiplication minus 1, third after multiplication is also minus 1. And these 3 symbols are in a same sign. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Sign will be same one. Dear students, sixth number is also relevant or related. Same pictorial form, same line representation steps. Just first step from 0 to -3 means just I will put the cursor at 0 and move 3 steps towards the left, and I will reach at this from 0 to -3. Again at -3, I have to decide to move or proceed 4 steps more towards the left, and I will reach at the -7. Again -7, I will take the second last destination, second last position, second last result, -7. And I will move 2 steps more towards the left. After 2 steps from -7 towards the left because of the minus, the conclusion or result of the addition of the given integers will be at -1. Here, dear student 0 after 3 steps, -3. 4 step from -3, I reached at -7. From -7, I arrived or reached at the minus. Result is minus. Here, mathematical form -3. After multiplication, -4. After multiplication, -2. -3, -4, -7, -7, -2, -9. This is the last addition and mathematical form. But we have to show in the number line. Dear student, find the sum of the following. Here, find the sum of the following. Question number, this is the question number 2. Bracket started, part number 1, +5 plus bracket over plus bracket started +2. Very easy. +5 and after multiplication, because before the small brackets or before the parentheses, there exists a sign of multiplication. I mentioned in the very start. Okay, +5 +2 +7. Dear student, here is the second sum. Bracket started +9, bracket over +7. Second bracket started +7, +9, +7. Here +9 after multiplication of the plus with plus, it will be here plus, 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 here plus into plus, plus. And in second result, we have also plus into plus, plus. And their addition +9 +7, it will be +16. Dear student, here, this sign, it is the, not minus, but it is the plus. Here, in third sum, -4, plus and minus, -6, -4, -6. The result or answer is -10 because they are same. Here -8 plus bracket started -9. Dear student, this will remain same -8, but plus in the minus it will become the minus. So -8 -8, definitely they are in the same symbol. So we have to eat 8 plus 8, 16. And -8 -8, -16. Here bracket started +10, bracket over. Second bracket started -2, bracket over. Here write the +10 same because of the plus. Plus into minus, it will be minus. Now we have cancelled the -2 from +10. After cancellation of the -2 plus from the +10, the result comes +8. In sixth number, bracket started -7, bracket over, plus second bracket started +6, bracket over. Dear, after multiplication of plus with minus, answer will be again minus. Plus into plus, it will be plus. Remove this +6 from -7, answer will be -1. Dear students, here 7 number sum started and we have the bracket started -11, bracket over, plus second bracket started +6. And this will be after multiplication with the plus into minus, answer will be -11. And here plus and a plus, answer will be plus 7. Remove plus 7 from the minus 11 because minus 11 is the big number. Remove plus 7 and our conclusion, our result will be minus 4 because the big number is in a negative sign. 7 number plus 3 bracket over plus bracket started minus bracket over. Here write the plus 3 and plus and minus minus 9. So plus 3 minus 9. Now cancel the plus 3 from minus 9 because we cannot cancel the minus 9 from the plus 3. Cancel plus 3 from minus 9 and the remaining answer will be negative after cancellation of the plus 3. We will get the minus 6. Here plus 5 and then plus bracket started minus 8 plus 5 same plus in minus minus 8. Dear student, big number is in a minus. So remaining answer will be in a minus. Remove the plus 5 from minus 8. Our answer will be plus here minus 3. Plus 8 minus 3. Same minus 3 and here minus 3 same plus in minus minus 11 and we will just add both figures are in a minus. So our answer will be also minus 24. Here plus 12 plus 23 answer will be in a plus form and it will be plus 35. That is down here. And here minus 23 plus and minus minus 19. Dear students, its answer will be 46 of minus. Now here are the fill in the blanks. Here in first minus 3, in second plus 10, here minus 15, here plus 2 plus 5 plus 7, here minus 11 plus 5 minus 16, here plus 19 minus 17, answer will be plus 2, and here plus 100 minus 50, answer will be plus 50, and here minus 11 minus 8, it will be answer 150. Dear student, now the question, this is also the same basis. Here we got the minus 11 plus 100. Now these same questions, but in case of the brackets. Now first of all, here in the large bracket we have plus 2 plus 3. Here plus 2 plus 3. After multiplication plus 5 and plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 9. Here minus 1 minus 5 plus and minus. Now minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 minus 7. And similarly here plus 3 and plus 5 plus 8 and minus into plus minus 1 plus 8 minus 1 plus 7. Same here minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 and out we have the plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 minus 4. Same here plus 25 first. First remove the square bracket. Plus 25 plus 50 plus 75 plus 25 out plus 100. Here minus 18 same. Inside the bracket we have plus 25 minus 30 plus and minus 30 minus 5 plus and minus 18 minus 5. It will be minus 23. Dear student, this was about the exercise 4.2. Alhamdulillah, we have completed the 4.2 exercise. I hope that you understood and you have to also practice. And if you have any problems, we will share with each other. And this was the exercise 4.2 about the number line, addition of the integers on the number line. Integers means those numbers which are represented by plus or minus. And we have to do the addition of the integers on the number line. Number line, yes, it is also the technique to show the numbers on the geometrical number line. Now here, if the number is positive, we have to move towards the right from the given number. If the number is negative, we have to move towards the left. Alhamdulillah, inshallah, we will meet in the coming lecture. God bless you. I hope you understood. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.